Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be building this guy, the Peanut Chocolate Fuzz Face. Yeah, I had a few false starts, but in the end I got there. Got a few kits off Chinese sites that don't work, and my tag board versions didn't work, but I eventually got one that did, from Music Ding. It sounds great. It's a silicone fuzz face, so I can use it with my other pedals on one power supply. And yeah, it just sounds filthy, which is exactly what I wanted, and it looks cool. So enjoy! Right, so I've tried to build this pedal a few different times and failed somewhat miserably. I tried an AliExpress kit first, which didn't work. Then I tried to build a tag board version, which also didn't work. So now I'm going with the Music Ding silicone fuzz face kit. So hopefully that'll work. So I'll just start slapping in the components and go from there. Right, the next step is to create the enclosure, which I'm going to use this sweet tin, because it's meant to be a fuzz face and this has a face on it, so that counts as hilarious in my book, or something. Right, so I'm thinking I might avoid that line, that's probably a weak point. Yeah, I'm gonna drill in here, power jack, input, output, and I'm thinking 2 LEDs where the eyes are, and maybe the actual switch just there. I'll try to avoid the mouth, leave that open, and maybe the actual controls can go to the side there. Usually the volume and fuzz knobs are the eyes, but since this already has a face, I'm going to keep the face. Right, so let's get drilling. This is probably going to be extremely dangerous because it's a curved surface to drill on. So hopefully I won't kill myself. Right, I think that went pretty well. They're a bit ragged, but they'll be covered up by the screws and fixings and whatnot. There's something very disturbing about drilling into a hardshell candy's eyes. Slightly sadistic. And with 2 dimples. This has all been a bit like a torture scene from some horrible movie. But there it is, drilled enclosure. Now I'll just put in the components and we can start wiring up. Okay, so there you have it. It's all boxed up, still a bit loosely. I'll have to tidy it up inside and make sure there's no shorts. But yeah, let's just test a guitar running through it and see does it actually work for once. So keep tuned. there you have it. One silicone fuzz face, my peanut chocolate fuzz face. Works great, sounds good, sounds great, I don't know, you be the judge. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe and all the rest.